Category 5, Joint Life and Dependents. Prior exams cover independent last survivor endowments with SULT factors, explicit four-state joint Markov with Kolmogorov for P00, reversionary annuities with partial refund, and dependence mechanisms. Lambda common shock and force shifts, including refuting false independence claims and broken heart discussion. Differences. Status random variables with SULT under independence versus an explicit four-state Markov. Verbal dependence theory versus numerical premiums. Reversionary and first death products need careful state of payment. Attack checklist. Decide independence versus dependence and write intensities or status factors. For Markov, label states 0 through 3 and write Kolmogorov or integrals for the needed transition probabilities. Build the benefit EPV on the correct status, joint, last survivor, or reversionary. Solve equivalence premium and watch the premium paying status. Grounded variance. Dependent lives with Woolhouse MTHLY joint annuity, a first death product with a lambda shift already calibrated from fall 2025 theory, or Excel joint Markov-Euler probabilities, feeding a reversionary EPV. Climb the 4 prior questions after this. That is the strategy map for this category. Next, climb the prior exam ladder for this family in the companion markdown.